Oh guys, welcome to another video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about ZeroClaw, which is another fork of OpenClaw, which we demoed a few days ago, but it's small and tiny and efficient. So that being said, let's get started. If you go to the GitHub repo of ZeroClaw, you can see there is a pretty good documentation how to install Windows, Linux, and there's also steps to try this out. We're going to demo everything on Kaggle in this video. So that being said, let's get started. So if you have not seen my previous video how to install Studio on Kaggle, just feel free to check that out. The link is in the description. If you have done that, just head over to the Studio. You can see everything is set up already. And so there are a few steps you can install ZeroClaw. It probably will take about 2 minutes, so it's very efficient, very fast. So first, you have to install Ollama. So you can try other OpenAI models or Gemini models, Claude models as well. So, but we're going to demo everything on Ollama just for this video. So that being said, let's continue. So first, you have to install Ollama, and then we use the Qwen 30B as the model. And this is actually a thinking model. So not all the thinking model works with the ZeroClaw. So if you try on the VLLM 4.7 Flash, that might not work, but Qwen 30B works. So let's continue. So the second thing, you have to install Rust, because ZeroClaw is built on Rust. So we have another video to show you how to build PicoClaw. So Pico is on Go. So this is a Rust version of OpenClaw. So you have to install Rust, and it takes about 1 line to install it. And then also you have to add the environment. So after everything is installed with the first line command, then you just do another line, which is like this one. So basically set up the Rust environment. So the third step is to install ZeroClaw. So you can see how simple this is. So first, you have to basically just run this one line command, which is a bootstrap. You can see their documentation here. There's a documentation, but it's very small, so it's very hard to see. It's right here, remote one-liner. So they should actually put it into a better place, but this is a line you want to use to install the ZeroClaw in one-line command. So let's go back to the Visual Studio. So after you install this bootstrap command, you're almost ready to go. So you also have to onboard it. So this is probably the last step. So do onboard API key is dummy. So because we use Ollama, so there's no need to API key, but it's still to provide as a dummy key and provide is Ollama. So this will actually create a configuration file. So the file is in the ZeroClaw workspace. Oh, actually it's ZeroClaw configuration. So let's go to that folder. Let's see. So there's config.toml. So just go to this file, and you can see everything is up and running. Let's go to this file. You can see that the file is created. So the model is Qwen 30B, and the provider is Ollama. So there's no extra things you have to do, but make sure that you put the thinking X to false. So the provider Ollama actual body. So this will prevent Ollama to run the thinking mode. So this will actually just run the non-thinking mode. So that's very important to note. But that's it. So this is all you have to do to set up the ZeroClaw on Kaggle. And with Visual Studio for free. Let's go back to the documentation. So if you want to try this out, the quickest way is just run this one-line command. So ZeroClaw agent-m, the message -m, hello ZeroClaw. So you can see the quick response if you run this command. So for example, let's just do some simple testing here. You can also run the agent mode. So if you just do ZeroClaw agent, you will go to a session for that. So let's just quickly run the hello world example. So hello ZeroClaw. So let's go to actually Kaggle notebooks. You see that we're actually running on 2 GPUs as usual. So make sure you check the accelerator as GPU T4. So don't use the P100. P100 only has one GPU, so GPU T4 has two. So then you can actually use the Qwen 330B, or you cannot use it. So let's go back to Kaggle Notebooks and let's see. Okay, so you can see it says, hello, ZeroClaw here. How can I assist today? And if you go to the interactive mode, just do OpenClaw agent. And you can do the same thing, but this time I'll ask, can you show me all the skills you have? Okay, because I don't have any skills yet. So you can see there's only available skills I have are template and a contribute. So there's really no skills. You can check out the skills folder inside the workspace. Actually, there's no skills, so that's good. So then you can ask the agent to create a file, maybe. Can you create a file? An example file.md. And add how are you to this file. Okay, you can see the file has already been updated to certain hello world. To contain hello world, you can verify this by reading the file with file read. So let's go to that file and check it out. You can see there's example file is here. Hello world, and I think it's because we have already created some of the testing case here. So, but let's change the hello world to a how are you. So, we should enable the file write. Okay, let's go back to the file. You can see it's updated to how are you, so which is great. So that's how you try install and test the ZeroClaw. So hopefully this is helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thanks so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.